Hello everybody. I decided to make some videos about accommodation in abroad. Uh, Today I'm in Scotland. I will share with you my experience about accommodation, and then I will give you some brief information about the hostel and is that cheap or expensive, or is that safety or not. We will see that things in this video. If you are ready, let's get started. I prefer to stay at two different hostels in Edinburgh, and then these two hostels in a different places in there, and I will show you about the details, my rooms. Let's get started. Yeah, guys, hello again, and I'm in Edinburgh, as you know that, and then I'm in hostel right now. It's gonna be my first night here. And then, as you know, that I generally prefer to stay hostels and like shared rooms with the other foreign persons. And then today is my first night here, and then I met with someone. I will show you what's going on in the hostels, and the hostels are like safe or not. And I just met with him like in an hour or something. We walked around together, and then we just make a conversation each other, and then I will show you like what's going on in the hostels, and then we just gonna make some interview each other. Okay, let's say, can you tell us what's your name?
My name is Jinyan, and
China. Where from?
I'm from China.
China. Yeah. Like, can I start like this question? Have you ever traveled any different country except China?
I have traveled to Finland, Japan, Singapore, Indonesia, and the UK.
Wow, Japan. How is Japan?
Japan is very nice, modern, and also is Eastern Asian country. So it's like I'm very familiar with that kind of because you can read some Chinese characters. Yeah. No.
It's
Yeah,
nice.
yeah, yeah. Like because some Japanese and Chinese share similar characters. Yeah.
It's nice. And also, it's a surprise. Like, I have some information about him. Like, he was in Turkey almost half day. He was also like Hagia Sophia, right?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Like, it's gonna be like improvised question, but what's your first impression in Turkey or in Turkish like citizens, if you have some contact with them? Like, can you tell us your comments in Turkey?
Yeah, the first time I went to Turkey, actually I overlaid there in the Turkish in Istanbul International Airport. It's like extremely fancy. I can say it not as like as modern as the latest airport in Beijing, but like in normal airport we went to in Beijing, it's like much better.
You should walk almost 20 or 25 minutes after your flight in the airport, right?
Yeah, 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 yeah. So it's really, really good. And later, the next time I went to Turkey is another overlay flight, but I make the second flight a little bit late. So I traveled like for half day in Turkey. It's just amazing city, the mosque, the sea, and all those cats on the street. Amazing.
Did you eat something in there?
Sorry.
Did you eat something in somewhere in Hagia Sophia?
Yes, yes. I eat in a hotel nearby because around those like famous spots,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
it's like it should be very expensive.
Yeah.
And you get scammed sometimes. But in Turkey, no. Like restaurant there, the boss is very friendly and the price is reasonable.
Yeah.
Yeah, and delicious food.
Oh, it's nice to hear that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, let's talk about this subject. And then you traveled somewhere in the world, and then you told us like Japan and the other ones. And then what did you do over there? Like, where did you prefer to stay in that countries? Not here.
Yeah,
I will come here also.
yeah. So like basically, the most travel for me is from because I'm a PhD student. I'm going there to attend conference. So actually, it's a free trip for me. But for Indonesia and Singapore, I went there to meet my girlfriend. And actually, in Singapore, I live in a hostel. So it's like similar experience than here.
Wow,
Yeah.
nice. And then what about hostels? What do you think about the hostels? Like, is safe or dangerous? And then why the people choose the hostels? Like staying like in a like think about this. you're in different countries, and then you're gonna stay like with the different people like me and like the other countries, and you also staying like sharing the rooms. Like I mean, you stay like 8 person, 10 person people. And what's your opinion about the hostels?
I mean, to be honest, the first thing like to think about like if I should rent like living a hostel is like the money actually, and and all these friends and stuff is like a side thing. If you get it, that's great. If you don't get it, at least you save money. I think that's a core idea. And those hostels in developed country overall is safe enough. Especially like I don't know like how will women feel, but as a man, is safe enough.
Like it's also like I also want to share with you like my opinion. I mean, here is my almost 13th country in the world. I just traveled almost all Europe side, and then I was in London like last month also. It's when I was in London, for example, I stayed like 3 nights in there, and then I stayed like three different hostels. I mean, in the first night I stayed in the room. We have like 10 person. We stayed together like 10 people. Some girls from France, some boys from like the other side of the Europe. And then the second night I also stayed with the different 10 person, and the last night I stayed with 9 person in the room. Like, to be honest, as you told me, like the same reason, it's a cheap. If you wanna travel more, you should stay like the cheap, right?
Yeah, the budget. Yeah, the budget should be cheaper.
Yeah. And then the second things, I'm solo traveler. Like I traveled all these countries by myself. I generally prefer to go outside like by myself. And then if I stay the hostels like here, I met with somebody like from around of the world. I can make like bigger network in the world side, as you know that. Like right now, you are from China, I'm from Turkey, and then we just meet here, and then we are just making a video together, and then we just spend only 1 or 2 hours, right?
Yeah. It's really nice.
So it's the big reason, like to stay the hostels also. And what do you think is dangerous or safe, or if you like, for example, 5 years later, you also will prefer to stay the hostels or not?
In the future, I feel like overall it is safe because I said that as a man it's safe for me, and I don't know how women will feel, but like actually, in my room is a lot of girls traveling alone. Sometimes they travel together, but mostly alone. And in 5 years later, hopefully I'm rich enough to pay like a regular hotel. But if I think if I'm traveling alone to a place expensive like America, Europe, I think I will still choose hostel. Yeah, if it's just like a place to sleep, why don't I just choose something cheaper and you can meet all these people from the world? I think it's nice.
And when did you come here? How many days you are staying in this hostel?
I came here 2 weeks ago, so I have been living here for 2 weeks, and yeah, I will stay in here for another 2.5 months. So it will be yeah,
5 months.
yeah.
You're gonna stay here, right?
Yes. Because like before I only booked 1 month actually, and later I feel like it is nice here, so I no issue. So I will just extend my staying.
Yeah. And you have a good experience here, so you're gonna continue to stay in the same hostel, right?
Yes.
Oh, it's nice. And which type of room did you choose here?
Actually, the cheapest one is like 10 people mixed.
Is this the cheapest one, right?
Yeah, it is the cheapest. I checked.
It's mixed and like 10 person. You're staying in the room. Okay, and then it's also for me. Like I prefer to like 8 person. It's probably I choose this like it's quite like a similar price. Probably I checked on the booking application, as you know that like all the Europe side know this, and then probably it's not much differences. So I just choose this, and also the second things, the important things also, like I checked the location. The location is so important in the hostel site. I mean, if your hostel in city center, you are so lucky because like when you're walking around, suddenly your phone is dead or something, you can charge your phone, and then maybe you need some hot water or something or drinkings, and then you should put your backpacker also like in your room. Yeah, you should lock it. And if your hostel like in city center, you can check your backpack also. Like you can also, if you need something like to take in your bag, you can also find your hostel fast. Am I right?
Yeah, but like actually for me it's not an issue because I have a lab. I work in a lab right now, so I just put all my like valuable stuff there.
But
So
actually, you are not travel right now. You came here like kind of work,
yes.
so it's not like it's we are not compare this. Like I
yeah.
mean, I came here just for touristic,
Yeah,
just stay around, just tourist. But you came here for work, right?
but during the time when I was in Singapore, it is very important. I know that because at that time I traveled, and it is very convenient for you to find a like secure and nearby hostel. That's true.
Sure. And then I have a like 3 nights here. In this night, I'm gonna stay here, and the second night I will stay another hostel. I also like to see different hostels. Like when I was in London, as I told you that I stayed like 3 different hostels, and here I will also like stay at different hostels. Just see the different hostels here, and then maybe I can meet like the different persons like you in the other hostels. And then thanks for your time, thanks for your comments, and it's really gonna be my first English content also, as I told you that in the first time in my video. I will try to find some different persons in the hostel like you, and I will share with you their opinions also, guys. Okay, do you wanna say something more?
I please subscribe to this channel.
Thank you. Okay, guys, have a nice day. I hope that you like it. Bye bye. Here is the room for 8 person, and there is a main door, and the other doors for toilet and shower, and the 2 baths, and the other one, and the other 4 baths over here. The number is 8 for my bath, and then I put my bag down with my locker. I'm gonna stay here in this night. The room has a kind of place for put your luggage inside, and there is some advice for you. I generally has a like my locker, like it's so small things, and when I put my bag inside, I just look. It's small, but it's work. And then when you put your bag, you just put in there, and you can go out after this. But if you don't take your locker, you should pay like 1 or 2 euros. This depend of the hostels. But if you have, you don't need to pay any money. It's another advice for you. Here is another hostel in Edinburgh. I will show you my room again. And then here is the main door. And then this beds over here, and the 6 beds here. Mine is the first bed, and now we have some places for put our stuff. And then let me show you our room views. It's look like this, and then about here, it's a Greyfriars cemetery. We saw that directly in our room. It's this hostel also has a central location. Guys, thanks for watching my video. I'll be with you soon in new videos.